Anua Rice Enzyme Powder Cleanser is the best multitasking skincare product I've ever used. It can be used both as a wash-off mask and a daily cleanser, making it incredibly versatile and efficient. Here's how to get the best out of it. This product hydrates the skin deeply and gives it a nice, healthy glow. It helps in evening out the skin texture and tone, making the skin look smooth and radiant. The cleanser is effective in removing dark spots and acne scars over time. The texture is unique for a cleanser, providing a satisfying sensory experience. Can be used in two ways. As a wash-off mask. 1. Put enough rice powder cleanser into a bowl. Powder and water with equal portion. 2. Mix the powder with 1 tablespoon of water until you achieve an elastic texture. 3. Apply evenly on your skin and gently massage for 3 to 5 minutes. 4. Wash off with lukewarm water. As a powder cleanser. 1. Dispense about 0.5 tablespoons of powder onto your wet palm. 2. Mix with water until it turns into a foam. 3. Gently massage onto your face. 4. Wash off with lukewarm water. Key ingredients. It has rice powder and extract. Brightens and evens dull skin tone while keeping pores clear of dead skin cells, excess oil, and impurities without stripping the skin. Ceramide. Instantly hydrates chapped skin, reinforces the skin barrier, and soothes irritation. While papain ideal for blemish-prone skin, it amplifies exfoliating and brightening effects, promoting a smooth and radiant complexion. My experience using the Anua Rice Enzyme Powder Cleanser has been a game-changer for my skincare routine. The fact that it is fragrance-free is a big plus for me. I love using it both ways, as a quick mask when I need an extra boost, and as a gentle daily cleanser. Mixing it with water is a breeze, and it leaves my skin feeling clean, hydrated, and glowing. The addition of ceramide and papain makes it even more effective in keeping my skin smooth and radiant. Overall, I highly recommend the Anua Rice Enzyme Brightening Cleansing Powder for anyone looking to enhance their skincare routine with a versatile and effective product.